You can.
The statement being made by Arewa youths expelled only their interest. You know, any citizen of Nigeria have his different kind of ideological orientation. But as an active citizen of Nigeria, you have to go with the opinion or ideology that is based on Nigeria's unity. What the Northern youth said is almost contrary to what the father of the Northern Nigerians did. Sardauna, no patriotic citizens from Arewa is as patriotic as Sardauna, but he never chased Igbos out of the north. Despite his northernization policy, he never told them the Igbos go out of Arewa. So what they did is just their personal interest, and they didn't represent any youth in Arewa. They represent themselves as individuals.
In general, you have first to the youth. You have first to the youth.
What I have for the youths is all within the jurisdiction. Being from Yobe State, northeastern part of the country, where it's severely affected by insurgency, what is needed is unity. With unity, Borno State and Yobe State couldn't have chased out. It comes to a situation whereby thousands of people left their home, left their shops, left their property, and they are begging on the street. What caused it is the absence of peace. If all Nigerians could embrace peace, I'm assuring you, even all this propaganda of recession will not come. All the problems of Nigeria couldn't have evolved. They could have been solved altogether. Thank you.
Youth Movement of Nigeria, REYOM, National Executive Meeting, held on were a group of young citizens that believe firmly in unity, peaceful coexistence in governance. Reformed Youth Movement of Nigeria, REYOM, is neither funded by any outside body, nor are we interested in being funded by anyone but us. We give our all, money, time, strength, and others to ensure that the Nigerian youth and the entire population is entirely reformed, and we can make it happen. We call on all our members, young, old, and the government to exhibit transparency and good accountability in all we do. This we have demonstrated greatly in REYOM. We call on all our members in the country and in the diaspora to be law-abiding, productive, and good citizens of our great country, Nigeria. No one can make our country better for us. Only us can do that. And we believe that a better Nigeria is possible, as our motto says. We believe in one united, fair Nigeria, devoid of ethnic, gender, and religious prejudices. Thanks, and God bless you. God bless Nigeria, and God bless the Reformed Youth Movement of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Just looking at it from any angle, we are looking at it from the onset, from the cradle.
This is our member. He came from
the National Assembly. They use the same civil society organization to disrupt some processes.
A youth and to when you become an old person, so that whatever you do, you have the value, the core value will be enshrined in you, such that you don't begin to adopt corruption, because it is corruption that has spoiled this our nation. From the onset, when we are told that we see our roads the way they are dilapidated from our childhood age until date, we are still seeing the same thing. So from our childhood now, we want to tell our youth from the cradle that they need to be reformed. The mindset needs to be reformed, such that we begin to change the entire country.
Please, let me say something. We are
everybody is going to politics in what you get. So why we are
not a political organization. We are interested in changing the attitude of the freedom of, as enshrined in the Constitution. So I don't think, from our best of knowledge, that under democratic setting, that good citizens of the country will be denied that freedom as enshrined in our Constitution and is inherent in us to justly be together in discussion and in harmony on what will move our nation forward.
Continue to promote and to support the
Well, we feel that
because as youth, that are characterized with energetic efforts.
we have lawyers in our midst, amongst us. One or two of them are here. Whatever that affects the youth, the old, and the young ones, because it's the young one that becomes the youth and you become the old. We are doing whatever we can do to make sure that every aspect of the nation, the way we live, even the laws, are reformed. Okay. Assembly is a welcome development. We applaud that. Some of us, we also in support of that. And it is good that that bill is passed. It is not bad that if one can vote, that person shouldn't be voted for. Some countries, I think France, I think at 18, you can vote and be voted for. And we'll see what happened there. So it is a welcome development. We are not just saying the youth will just participate and take advantage of the bill passage, but we are asking you to be reformed. If you are not reformed, we don't have any business in you. We are telling you to be reformed because if you are not reformed and you are there, you are going to be worse than those that we feel that are there.
And to support what the convener just if you are not reformed, we make you reform.
Yeah.
This conference is that it is no longer news to all of us that there are agitations here and there, threats to the national unity of the country, lack of cohesion among the population and the youth. So we believe it is time for our organization, our movement, to make it clear and call on all the citizens, ministers of Nigeria, to be law-abiding, good citizens, be part of good democratic practices, because we don't have any other country than what we have now in Nigeria. So that's why we are calling all our young people and the old to channel our energies in supporting good government and governance of the country. Thank you. Our coordinator from the Northeast region, Ayodeji Phillips Fajimi.
Our time. The time has come for we, the youth, to take over our own place in governance. We should participate actively to ensure that, yes, our own interest is being protected. And what I will also say to the elites is that they should give us the sense of belonging. They should engage, they should give us time. Following the second stanza of the national anthem, which says, "Oh God, our creation, help the youth the truth to know." Also guide the leaders right. The only way we can know the truth is when the leaders can put us on the right form. So that is why we need the elites. We cannot do without them, because we need them to be close to us so that we can tap from their wealth of wisdom and also learn from what they have done, from their own mistakes as well. Because if we say we want to take over the governance, we want to be where they are today, if we are not ready, we'll mess the system. So we need the elites, just like we need ourselves. If you follow the trend, the current trend, you can see that if we, the youth, keep quiet, it will affect us. That's why we come together as one organization, as one Nigeria, as youth that comprises of over 80% of the entire population, to call our fellow Nigerian youth to desist from the disunity that has been called by the REYOM youth. And again, to see ourselves as frontier of peace, anywhere we find ourselves, we should be able to render our own support to national peace and development to ensure that democracy thrives the way we want it to be.